Hello, how are we all doing today? My name's Chris. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of controller maintenance. I want to swap this D-pad out onto this one here. Thinking it might look kind of cool. We'll see. A couple things we're going to need. Screwdriver here. This is the T8 by 33 millimeters. I think it's also called a hex screwdriver. It does have some holes right here in the tip. They're designed specifically for these. A good little pry tool here for the sides can help a little bit. Also, you can just use your hands. I found out it's a little bit easier just to use your hands, but to each their own. If you need any tools, accessories, I found this brand here on Amazon. Riddicker, I think is how it is said. But yeah, good little set here. Came with 3 different screwdrivers, the pry tool, and 3 sets of sticks. That's what's on these now. Very nice. Only like maybe 20-25 bucks. Go check it out. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start with this one over here. As you can see, I've already got the back taken out, battery taken out. We are going to have to get behind this here. Not too hard. That is going to expose that hair screw. We'll take our screwdriver and pop her out. What's nice about these little screwdrivers is they're magnetic too. Makes getting those out a lot easier. So we got one there. The other 2 are going to be behind these panels on the side. To get those out, just got to kind of feel for it. It's going to sound like it's breaking, but it's not. This pry tool can come in handy. Maybe. There we go. There's one. It sounded like it broke. It didn't though, so we're good. Now let's go for the next one here. And they are a pain to get off sometimes. You just gotta find a sweet spot. There we go. Alright, so after you pop those off, you'll see 4 screws. One here, here, and on the other side. Bam, and bam. Now keep track of your screws. A bowl is good to have. I don't have one right now, unfortunately, but we'll be okay. We're just going to pop these out one by one. Switch over to the other side here. Take out these 2. Alright, and that's all 4. So as soon as you take that off, or take those out, front is going to pop off. This is where you're going to have access to all of the components on the inside. Got your rumble packs here for your vibration, sticks obviously. As you can see, these are easy, they just pop right out. careful to pop those back in. Alright. We want to get to this D-pad here. It looks like maybe we gotta pop this bottom shell off. Alright, that's gonna have your battery pack. It's just the bottom page. Put it over to the side for now. Everything seems to hold in place pretty well. It looks like all we're going to need to do is pop this little metal piece on. Just want to be careful not to break anything. That would not be good. That worked out pretty good. Maybe. Okay, so maybe we don't have to do that all the way. Okay, there we go. So when taking that off, this is going to be locked right down here. That's keeping it from moving. Just kind of push up, or push down technically, and you'll feel it come out. There we go. There you go. And just set that off to the side for now. So we'll come back to it. Alright, so we got our blue controller here now. We want to pop this into there. I think it's gonna look pretty good. So this one's actually still got the battery pack in it. This is one of the rechargeable ones with a dock. So we'll just pop that off. Take out the good old battery pack. This one, of course, has got the sticker. You can just punch through that if you want, that's fine. I just kinda rather just pull it back a little bit. Realistically, I should just take it off, but it is what it is. Alright, I'm gonna just pull this back a little, revealing the screw, and pop that one out. Alright. One down, 4 more to go. And we're back to the side panels. Just like the last, we're gonna pop these off. Now we'll reveal our screws. Again, just finding the sweet spot. Finally got it. Start popping. That's not good. That's sword. We finally got it off. Now let's just hope this side doesn't give us as much problems. bit easier. So finally, we are down to our controller. So yeah, let's get the rest of those screws out. One. There's two. And one nice thing about these little screwdrivers is this top part spins. I'm sure y'all have noticed that it makes it a little bit easier just to spin it. You're not sitting here cranking and, you know, wearing out your palm and stuff. It's the little things. The little things. Alright, and last screw here. Alright. Got the front plate off. And pop that out. Very nice. Move that aside for now. And just like last time, we're gonna push down. So, note to self, push from up here. Makes it a lot easier. We're just gonna pop that out. Uh-oh. That's okay, I think that's how it's supposed to come out. And we're gonna take our new one. Don't know if any kind of dust, dog hair, cat hair. Very nice. And we'll set it back in there. Anything like that, maybe not. Alright, so keep that in mind. You're gonna see 3 little prongs here on these sides. If you flip it over, this one's shorter. This short side here needs to line up with this right here. That's gonna sit like that. 1, 2, 3 long ones. Small one right there. Okay. And keep in mind, this is going up towards the top, this back piece towards the bottom. So let's start from the bottom. And you'll hear a little click. Yep, looks good. Alright. Alright, so start back with the bottom. Set her down. And it'll just sit right in there. You want to make sure that it kind of pops into place. Everything's lined up the way it's supposed to. So it is good to kind of start from here. Oh, also, yeah, someone forgot. Keep these in mind. They need to sit into these grooves right here. So you'll be very careful. And they should just pop right in. And you don't want to force anything. Everything should line up properly. There we go. Took it a second, but it went in there. And if you're wanting to, this is a good time to wipe off any of the connections, any of the parts. Like I said earlier, clear of any dog hair, cat hairs, anything like that. If you're wanting to replace your sticks, this is a good time to do that as well. This if you're swapping anything out. So, take our front plate. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You're just gonna make sure you kind of get a little hold on it here. And then we're gonna start putting our screws back in. This is also one nice spot where that magnet comes into play. Let's tighten those down. I also like to start one or two of them. Just make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. You don't want to overcross under anything. I should bring this one back out for you. Okay, you're good. I may have crossed over that one. You just want to tighten down until they stop, don't. You don't need to put a lot of pressure on them. Torque it down, anything like that. Just spin it, until it stops. Sometimes they break. There we go. Number 4. And we forgot to do this on the last one here, but we forgot the little hidden boy. Can't forget about that one. And realistically, it wouldn't be the end of the world if you missed it, but you're just gonna have a random screw laying around, and you don't really want that. There we go, nice and tight. I'm just going to cover that back up. Again, not that it really matters. And then let's pop our plates back on. Nice. And nice, there we go. Two very nice controllers there. Very nice. I think they turned out very well. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free. I'm really digging this blue here, that gold, just, I don't know, it adds a little something to it. Very nice, very sleek. Here's my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe as well. Thanks for coming by and checking out my videos. Y'all have a beautiful day. We'll see y'all in the next video. Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something